Oh my god, welcome to our next episode of Team Chef Life Personal Chef Service. You understand? Oh my god. So you know, so today we're taking our next journey again. Okay people? Yeah, so today we're going to Solid Lookout on the road special items. Yeah, so I'm here grabbing some items, you know what I'm saying, for my clients, alright? Oh my god. Don't know if like, share and subscribe. Okay? Yeah, remember, best personal chef service in Jamaica. No joke about it. Yeah? Rasta the show on how it's done. Okay? Oh my god. It's a lot. So let's, oh my god. Yeah? Yes. Do the right thing. Oh my god. Alright, can start. Can start, alright? Oh, we got True Juice. You see True Juice? Yeah, True Juice in this point. Oh my god. True Juice, oh my god. I'm still waiting, alright? And that sponsorship, okay? Oh my god. Mega Mart. I need to start sponsoring me quick. Oh my god.
Wow.
God, hey, that is Saskia. Always something like that. Oh my god. Yeah, man, so when you want a nice location, you know, to come chill out, you know, to come hide away, find a little getaway, you need to book Solid because you understand. Yeah, too funny. You see that? That is it. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I understand and be part of a small growing community, okay? While I take you on this amazing journey of being a personal chef in Jamaica. Oh my god.